Ever found yourself standing, stranded and keyless before your Berlin apartment? An unfortunate mishap that many of us have encountered, but fear not. The solution is simple and straightforward. Your immediate reaction might be to panic. Resist that urge, take a deep breath and remember the first step. Call a locksmith, or as they say in Berlin, a Schlüsseldienst. Be prepared to fork out anywhere between 50 to 150 euros, depending on the time of day. Be aware, evening and weekend rates tend to be on the higher end of the scale. A helpful tip from experience: ask your friends or colleagues for recommendations. They might just know a trusted Schlüsseldienst who won't take advantage of your predicament. Now, replacing the lost keys is a different ballgame. If you live in a communal building and have misplaced the main entrance key, you would need permission from the property management, or Hausverwaltung. This may set you back by about 50 euros per key. If it's your individual apartment door key that's missing, it's generally cheaper. However, it's always advisable to inform your landlord or landlady about the situation to avoid any potential issues down the line. Here's a silver lining though. Some liability insurances cover the cost for lost keys and replacing the locks. So, it's worth checking your policy. All in all, losing your apartment keys in Berlin is not the end of the world. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access and minimize any inconvenience. Consider insurance options, or even entrust a spare key to a reliable friend. Remember, preparation is key to handling unexpected situations like these. And if you're anything like me, prone to forgetting your keys often, don't underestimate the power of sticky notes. Placed strategically, they can be your first line of defense against a lockout. So while losing your keys can be a bit of a hassle, with the right approach, it's nothing more than a minor hiccup in your Berlin adventure.